G'day guys, well, at well over a year just to get to this stage where the video's at now, we decided to go with another supervisor to finish the build. So he done the rest of the flooring and all the framing and everything, and has continued the house till now. We're only a couple of weeks off finishing the actual house, so it's taken us a long time. We'll be pushing 2 years, but it's finally getting done. Saving a bit of money now from not wasting it on cameras that we're looking at dirt and tent fences and toilet that's sitting there paying for them from no one on site for a year or more. So it's a bit of a pain, but we're finally getting there. Shouldn't be too much longer and we could be in the house and finish off the backyard and the gardens and stuff with the digger. So I'll run you through a little bit of the digger now. So speak to you soon. So a little update. We've had this digger for just over 2 years now, and it's been a good machine. It's done a lot of work around here, just cleaning up and picking up rubbish, digging out the odd footings and things like that. The only thing we've had go wrong with it was we replaced that ignition, this ignition here, just with a rubber cap one, just so it's waterproof, because the one it come with wasn't waterproof, cost me $45, delivered from Brisbane in 2 days, which is really good. Other than that, yeah, as long as you tighten up the tracks, every now and then they need adjusting, just tighten them up, which is just a spanner to tighten them up. But it's a little worn, paint worn and rusty in spots, only because it's sat outside for so many years. But still fires up per shot, runs beautiful, we've serviced it. Oh, the only other thing is too, the fuel gauge and this little instrument panel every now and then cuts out, and lately it hasn't been working, so I'm thinking maybe water's got in there as well. But other than that, we haven't spent $1 on it. It's run beautiful. It's got all the little jobs we've needed done here, and yeah, it's very cheap to fuel up. It's a really good machine for $23,000 we paid. Yeah, it's helped us. We've had to do little footings at the back of the house and just prepping for concreting and just little jobs, nothing massive, but still pulling out rocky sort of dirt. But it's done the job pretty good, can't complain with it. We've serviced it twice. It's probably only done 100 hours, just over 100 hours, so not a massive amount. Like I said, we have had to get 1.7tonne and stuff to dig out the big footings and stuff, but for a little work and digging along the fence, we're going to have to scratch out all that crap there, and it works beautiful for stuff like that. So I think it's a really good machine for the money we paid and the time we bought it. We bought it during COVID, so second-hand machines were just out of the question. They were too much money. But yeah, this puts along alright, works good. So yeah, we've had no trouble. Everything, changing buckets and that's pretty easy, just undoing a bolt. Like I said, the paint's a little bit rusted in spots where it's sat out in the weather, but turn the key first time every time she fires up, let her warm up and off she goes. So yeah, we're really happy with it. We'll finish off the house and stuff and clean up. We've got a bit more dirt coming soon once we move in here and we've got more time and we're close, because we live about 40 minutes from here, so it's a bit of a mission during the week and stuff to get down here to play in the garden and stuff. But we've got a bit of filling in of dirt out the front and stuff, so we'll get a little bit more use out of it, and then and probably get rid of it. But no, it's been a really good machine. I can't complain with it, and it's a lot cheaper than paying a trade to come and do it. So yeah, perfect. Like I said, we've just used it for little things like this, exposing the plumbing and plumbing in for the downpipes and stuff like that. So doing these little pads for the stairs and stuff. But yeah, it's been a great little machine. So yeah, be a shame to let it go, but once we've got all the work done here, we won't really have much use for it anymore. We do have a bit of dirt we've got to lay in here in the front and stuff, so it'll be pretty handy out here. Had the driveway and stuff poured, which is pretty nice. But fill all this in, just level to this sort of tent fence area, and this front semicircle. There's a fair bit of dirt that has to go in there. We'll use it to fill that in, that other fence line over there. Dig this front grass out and replace it with nice soil and grass, or both these. So yeah, not a huge amount to go, but yeah, we'll get some little bit more fun out of it. But yeah, all in all, I think the machine, is pretty good, and I think it come with 12 attachments, whatever it was. We haven't really used any of the others other than the mud bucket and the little tooth bucket, but we've had no need for the other things. But yeah, they would come in handy for certain jobs, picking up rocks and stuff like that, or with the log grab or the auger. So yeah, we do have to fill in a little bit in here as well, but these are little jobs where it's exposed. Had to dig things out, and these little concrete pads and stuff, and where it hit our fence. It sucks, but we'll fix that. But yeah, the house is coming along pretty nice. Hopefully we've got about 2 weeks to go before we can move in, so, and then yeah, we'll have plenty of time to start pushing out this dirt and bringing more dirt in, and be nice and close now. Just go at the back and jump in the machines. So yeah. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what this little machine, it's a 1.7 tonner. If you're wondering what it's like, in my opinion, I think it's great. The only problem we ever had from the start was the track gear, like the bolts to the slew. The cab was sort of rocking around, so we did put high tensile bigger bolts in it, stronger bolts, but that's it. It's worked perfect. The slide for the tracks and everything still works beautiful. Everything works really well. Starts first pop. It's the same battery from over 2 years now, and yeah, it's like I said, it's been sitting just out in the open like the dozer, copping the weather. The only thing was that ignition got a bit of water in it and corroded, but handy little banger if you're on a farm, or even to do your own little odd jobs and use it yourself. I would never buy one to hire it out or anything like that, but if I were to use it on jobs for my own, I'd probably give it a go. 20 grand's a lot cheaper than an 80 grand cat or any other sort of machine. So it's got a Yanmar motor in it, eating pumps and that, so yeah, I think it works really well and does the trick. Like, that's some of the stuff it's pulled out. So yeah, anyway, I've enjoyed it. Hopefully you will too if you get one, or yeah, let us know what you think. I'll see you next time. Thanks guys. Give you a little tour of the house. So this is a 4-car garage. So it's nice, big, high ceilings. Turned out really nice. And the entranceway. So it's coming in from the entrance into the master bedroom. So that's overlooking the road, that sort of area over the valley. It's a 100-inch TV niche. His wardrobe. Her wardrobe. Built-in makeup desk and stuff. It's come up nice. Ensuite. It's a shower where the shower will be. Toilet in that room. This is where the bathtub will sit. So by the time this video is out, a lot of that will already be installed. So this is a theatre room. I collect a lot of movie memorabilia and life-size statues and things, so nice big room for it all. Some couches and a big TV. Some laundry. Plenty of shelving, just a normal laundry. A lot of storage. Nothing too fancy. It's a powder room. So there's the kitchen. Stone bench tops are getting cut now. It's little things to be finalised to finish off the kitchen. All the sinks and stuff have been delivered. It's a butler's pantry. So there's plenty of cupboards in this kitchen. Goes on through the whole side of the house. And this is where one of our lasers will be. It's quite a big room. The laser in there. We've also got a spot for a big laser out in the garage as well. With the exhaust vents, we've put them in the wall and stuff. Linen cupboard. It's just another bedroom. And another bathroom. There's a shower where that'll be. Another bathtub. It's a nice sized little bathroom as well. That's where my modelling room will be. Nice view out over the backyard into the forest. So all the doors and stuff still need to be put on the wardrobes. But here's just a few videos of during the build process, the frame and all that going up. So the alfresco here we've actually changed a little bit. We put a wall up this end, just half walls, just to block out some of the wind, stuff like that. Looks a lot better. You'll be able to see it soon. So that's the house. It's taken a while, but she's nearly done. As for the excavator, it's still got a little bit of work to go. But, like I said, I think it's been a really good machine. It's worked out a lot cheaper to do all the digging than hiring machines. We still will probably hire another bigger dozer to crush some of the rock we have and just try to smash out the dirt a bit quicker. But I will be using the little one as well for topsoiling and pushing out when I get some good clean fill in. But yeah, we'll have some work still for both little machines. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.